reviews best motorcycles for beginners BMW G310 GS. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of motorcycles, specifically for those who are just starting out. We have a real gem to showcase, the BMW G310 GS. This versatile and beginner-friendly adventure motorcycle has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The BMW G310 GS is a lightweight and agile adventure bike designed for urban commuting and weekend riding. It's powered by a 313 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers a smooth and responsive performance, perfect for new riders. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the G310 GS is its affordability. As a smaller displacement motorcycle, it's a more budget-friendly option compared to larger bikes, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a tight budget. In terms of performance, the G310 GS offers a good balance of power and handling. Its 313 cubic centimeters engine provides ample power for city riding and highway cruising, while its lightweight design and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through traffic in tight corners. Design and aesthetics. The G310 GS has a modern and aggressive design, with sharp lines and a muscular stance. It's available in a variety of colors and graphics to suit different tastes. Target audience and relevance. The G310 GS is ideal for riders who are looking for a compact and affordable adventure motorcycle. Its lightweight design and agile handling make it perfect for navigating city traffic and winding roads. The bike's fuel efficiency also makes it a practical choice for daily commuting. Comparison to other beginner motorcycles. When compared to other popular beginner motorcycles, the BMW G310 GS stands out for its brand recognition and premium build quality. While it may be slightly more expensive than some other options, it offers a higher level of refinement and sophistication. Expert reviews. The G310 GS has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, sharp handling, and comfortable riding position. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The G310 GS is a fantastic choice for new riders. It's easy to ride, affordable, and a lot of fun." Conclusion. The BMW G310 GS is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and affordability. Its compact size, lightweight design, and forgiving handling make it a perfect choice for new riders. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable starter motorcycle, the G310 GS is definitely worth considering.